All right, so we got a welcome to the club, three-time MVP Shohei Ohtani box. We got the 101 jackpot updated to 522. We got everyone with the one player that's in the checklist. So there should be 10 cards total, 8 base cards, one numbered to 150 or less, and then like a dual player card that will get randomized off as well. Oh, here we go. Here's our pack. Put this back here. One pack. Good luck. Thanks for joining. Saved me from having to rip this myself, I guess. Is that would've? Looks like we got all of our base cards down here. Let's move those to the back. Let's just set this one down anyway. All right, here we go. So we got base cards here at the top. Mike Schmidt, Yogi Berra, another Yogi Berra. So it's a little 1951 Yogi Berra, 1955 Yogi Berra. There we go. Mike Trout from 2019 MVP season. Alex Rodriguez for the Rangers in this 2003 season. Albert Pujols MVP 2008 season. Roy Campanella 1953. And Jimmy Fox 1933 MVP season. And 2 cards left here. Our dual player card is an Ohtani and Mike Schmidt. So we'll randomize that one off between Rich and Taylor. And then our card here, numbered out of 150, is a New York Yankee, Alex Rodriguez, numbered to 150. So Matt gets the one numbered card. We didn't hit an auto. And there we go. That's how it goes. These packs are killer like that. All right, so we'll randomize that one off in the break channel in the randoms thread, and then yeah, like let's see, we didn't get a Mickey Mantle, but we got most of the others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the Yogi Berra twice. So Yogi Berra, nice one, Steven. I cut 2 cards, so that works. And then we'll randomize this. A-Rod to 150 was our hit. Thanks for joining. It was a quick one, but high risk, high reward, I guess, right? Talk to you later.